What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another fishing mission out here at Oregon Trail Pond today, up in Northwest Lawrence. We're here to see if we can catch some fish. We haven't been here since last summer. Looks a little low, but we're here today to see what's biting. Hopefully we can get up on them. I'm gonna get my lines rigged up. We're gonna get them in the water, see what's out here. Let's go. Got one. Yes, sir. First fish of the day. Little bass. Yes, sir. It's a nice little bass too. It's the second bite I've already had on this little jig. It's a pretty fish. Yes, sir. We can let this guy go. There he goes. Oh yeah, buddy. First fish. See if we can't find some more over here. Ooh, I had a bite right there. It felt like a little bluegill or something, a little sunfish. Or a real small bass if it was. Got one. Jigging. Yes, sir. I knew there was gonna be one right here. Good hook set too. Right on the top of the mouth. Mug out. There we go. Alright. fish number 2. Just jigging it right here underneath this little drain. This one's a little smaller than the other one. The other one was fat. This one's kind of skinny. Let's go. Fish number 2. It's just this little jig right here too. Little Timu split tail, black and white with the gold flake. This thing catches them, baby. See if there's another one down here. See if jigging works again. Done a lap around this little pond about 3 times with that jig. Caught those 2 bass. I got my other pole here, my Durango. I just tied up a little worm with a split shot. See if anything wants this. Just relax for a little bit, enjoy this weather. Well, looks like they're not wanting the worm either. Been around this pond 3-4 times with a jig. Been sitting here for about 30-45 minutes now with the worm. Haven't got any action on the worm, so we're gonna call it a day there. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for today's video. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.